Magandang araw po sa nakakanood ng video nito. Ako nga po pala si Aaron S. Wisdom. Ang topic naman for our devotion ngayong araw na ito ay pumapatungkol kay Elijah and Elisha. At dito ay matutunghay natin kung paanong sinalo ni Elisha yung ministry ni Elijah. At syempre, ang isa sa mga tanong dito, who will put up your cloak? So, sino yung dadampot ng cloak mo once na lumisan ka, no, pagdating sa ministeryo ng Panginoon. So, magbasa natin ng ating devotion, 2 Kings chapter 2 verse 9 hanggang sa mga sunod na talata. Ang sabi dito, when they had crossed, Elijah said to Elisha, ask what I shall do for you before I am taken from you. And Elisha said, please let there be a double portion of your spirit on me. And he said, you have asked a hard thing, yet if you see me as I am being taken from you, it shall be so for you. But if you do not see me, it shall not be so. And as they still went on and talked, behold, chariots of fire and horses of fire separated the two of them. And Elijah went up a whirlwind into heaven. And Elisha saw it, and he cried, my father, the chariots of Israel and its horsemen. And he saw him no more. Then he took hold of his own clothes and tore them into two pieces. And he took up the cloak of Elijah that had fallen from him, and went back and stood on the bank of the Jordan. And he took the cloak of Elijah that had fallen from him, and struck the water, saying, where is the Lord, the God of Elijah? So dito ay ating makita yung pagiging mentor talaga ni Elijah kay Elisha. At makikita natin doon na tinrain niya talaga si Elisha. At makita natin dito na sinusundan pa rin talaga siya ni Elisha kahit na anuman ang mangyari. At sa devotion natin na ito ay makita natin na matagal talaga yung naging samahan nila, at malalim yung naging kanilang yung connection ng bawat isa. At mapapansin natin dito na humingi si Elisha ng double portion ng spirit ni Elijah, so halos ang hinihingi ni Elisha dito ay yung double anointing sa kanya ng Panginoon. So makita natin dito, kung sabi nga ni Pastor Russell, ay si Elijah 8 yung mga major na miracle na ginawa. At pagdating talaga kay Elisha ay 16. At makita natin dito na mas malaki yung naging record ng miracle kay Elisha kaysa kay Elijah. So pagdating dito, it talks about mentoring, at doon sa isang tao na handang magpa-mentor, at pagdating dito ay yung isang tao na nandyan na mini-mentor mo ay mas malaki yung nagawa kaysa sa'yo, ay nangangahulugan na effective leader ka, So ayun yung pinipinpoint dito, dahil kapag ang isang leader ay naiinggit dun sa kanyang tinuruan, once na marami siyang nakamit, ay nagiging masamang leader yun, dahil hindi niya talaga alam kung paano mag-lead. At pagdating dito ay kailangan natin unawaan yung pagiging kapalit, yung may apprentice tayo sa ating ministry. So lamang po ang ating devotion. Maraming salamat.